Alright, here's my new piece of glass with the gasket installed. I also bought this from the same place, Peninsula Glass. This is a piece of gasket material, high temperature obviously for a wood stove, and it comes with a self-adhesive on one side of it. And the way you put this on is you basically just mold it around the piece of glass without pulling it taut anywhere. And next thing to do is insert it into the door frame itself. And what I've done is go around and with a wire brush cleaned up all the surface that the new gasket is going to come into contact with. And I'm going to reach under here so I do not drop this. It's a pretty snug fit. I'm glad I didn't. Glad I did not get the glass any bigger. That's something I did notice, was that my measurement was about 3/16 of an inch off as far as the width. I went by the measurement that was actually on another site for this stove, and it said it was supposed to be 16 1/4 inches wide. Actually, I think it's probably closer to 16 7/16 of an inch wide, but I think this is going to work. It's pretty snug fit in here. I'm going to pull it down just a hair. I'd rather have a little air gap on each side here than have it too snug on one side and not the other. Okay, and I think that's gonna work. I sure hope so. Sure would miss the wood stove this winter if we didn't have it. I know that. Cuts down the heating bill even down here in the south. And next thing to do is put these little L clamps back in place. Been warned several times, several different sites, to not over tighten these things. So I don't know what they mean by over tightening. Obviously it's going to have to be held in place, but you don't want to get it too tight, or you're taking a chance on cracking your glass again once the stove heats up and the metal expands. So I'm just going to have to kind of play it by ear and hope I don't screw it up.